अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Let's come to start a new chapter of abbreviations used in the daily life, office, administration, paperwork, correspondence. So, let's have a start. Common some commonly used observations, abbreviations, some commonly used abbreviations. This list includes abbreviations that are commonly used in newspapers, journalists, etc. The use of the capital or small letters indicates the more common usage, but quite a number of abbreviations can be written in either style, with common or without, with full stop or without a stop. So, a full stop may be placed at the end of an abbreviation, although certain writers and printers prefer to omit it. See, like UN, comma, U dot N, but both are used for United Nations. Okay. See, AA, anti-aircraft, A dot B, bomb, atom bomb, A dot C, big capital letters, and A dot C in small running alphabets. So alternating current of the electricity. A oblique C, it is used for account. Account means a personal account in bank account or in the other means. ACLALC, Association of Commonwealth Language and Literature Studies. Let's see another. ACU, Association of Commonwealth Universities. In small alphabet, AD, without any full stop dot, it is used for advertisement. A dot D in capital letters, so it is used for also. AD, Anno Domini. Anno Domini marks dates in the Christian's era beginning with the year of the birth of the Christ. So Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, it is AD is used for after the birth of the Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. So let's see another. ADC, A dot D dot C dot, Agriculture Development Corporation. ADJT dot, adjutant. The adjutant word is used commonly in the field of the military. So whenever the commandant has an assistant or support staff, so adjutant, it's called adjutant. He is the assistant of the any competitive authority. ADM dot, admiral. ADIMN dot, administration administrator, or used for any administrative authority. So A dot E dot C, Atomic Energy Commission. So A dot G dot, Accountant Journal. So it is the highest post of the accountant in any constituency or any administrative, the using unit, administrative unit. A dot H dot, Anno Harrier, era beginning with the hijrat of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. AH. Okay. A in capital letters, A dot M dot, comma, A dot M dot, in capital letters or in small letters, both used. Anti meridium means before moon. AM. It is a time calculating phenomena, or it is used for the to calculate the time. It is beginning from the midnight after 12, and it's up to 12 in noon. Okay. AM A dot M dot I dot E, associate member of the Institute of Inner Engineers, and ANON anon dot, it is used for the anonymous. So these all today's words of abbreviations we use in commonly our daily life, office work, in newspapers, correspondence. ओके, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। इंशाल्लाह सखर फोर्सेस एकेडमी के तरफ से फिर किसी और वीडियो के साथ, इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ इंशाल्लाह। थैंक यू। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।